Before we begin, take a moment and bring to mind all the circumstances and conditions that are causing you distress in your life. Think of the people that are pulling on your energy, those that you might also be pulling on, circumstances that feel in transition, ungrounded, frightening even, uncertain. Notice how all of these energies swirl around your mind and through your body and take your energy. And now, if you will, just allow your eyes to close. And place your tongue on the roof of your mouth just behind your teeth. As you breathe in, because this calms that part of your brain that is in distress. The part of your brain that is fight, flight, freeze. Part of your brain that is anxious, worried. And then gently purse your lips as though you're going to blow out a birthday candle. And exhale, releasing all the air in your lungs, blowing out all the energy you're holding, letting it all go until there's absolutely no more energy troubling you. And then gently breathe in through your nose, allowing the energy to fill your body clear down to your tailbone. And then release the sound, surrendering and letting go, and allowing all the energy that disturbs you to begin to drift away. Breathe in again gently through the nose, relaxing your brow, relaxing your forehead, and relaxing your jaw. And again, let out the sound, This time allowing all the tension around your solar plexus, front and back, to open up. All the tension around your heart to open up, front and back. And breathe. And as you breathe, allow your imagination to travel from that front part of your brain that watches the outer world to the back of your brain, to the back of your head that observes without reaction. Notice how it eases the stress around your eyes with your eyes closed. And breathe in. And out. Through your nose in a peaceful, calm, grounded way. Good. Can you imagine possibly allowing your attention to to move away from the outer world and begin to come back to the very center of your heart. Breathing in through your nose and out gently. Can you begin to remember the things you love? Simple things. Perhaps the smell of fresh flowers, warm sun on your skin, maybe a favorite comfortable chair, a walk along the beach. Just start remembering what you love, what speaks to your spirit, what makes you feel connected to who you are. Relax, as if you're dreaming. But in this dream, you're waking up to who you are again, not what the world wants of you, or what outside conditions have made of you, but who you are naturally, what you care about. What comforts you, entertains you. Breathe. Waking up to the things you take joy in and the things about you that you know are truly you. Your gifts. Your grace, your smile, your talents, the things you bring to the world just by being you. Breathe. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And relax your brow. Relax your jaw. And allow your heart to open even a little wider, front and back. Your breath filling you with your spirit as it wakes up, begins to come alive, filling your body and the space around you, above you and below you, and to the north and to the south, to the east and to the west. Allowing your spirit to illuminate in all 6 directions. Feel the power of your spirit, your grace, your creativity. Your contributions. Just breathe in and release the sound, remembering who you are. What you love. What makes you smile, what brings joy to your life. And with this next breath, bring your attention back to your body, with your eyes closed, back to where you're seated, feeling yourself supported with your breath, with your spirit. Bring your awareness back to the environment around you. Feel the energy under your toes. Very gently rub your palms together, eyes closed. And place them over your eyes and breathe in. And then exhale, allowing your eyes to gently, slowly open behind closed fingers, and allow your fingers to separate. Letting your attention travel to the floor and breathe. Bring your attention to eye level and begin to gently look around, reacclimate to the moment, and breathe. Allow your attention to drift above you and breathe. And allow yourself to move forward throughout the day from this center of your spirit, from this very awakened state of who you really are. Gently bring the corners of your mouth up to your ears and smile. And say, ah. And so it is.